Wish your marriage could change for the better? Want intimacy, fun, attention, better communication, and sex back in your marriage? Stay tuned for a supercharged episode of Recharge Your Marriage coming up right now. Hello, I'm Zev Halpern, and thanks for joining us for Recharge Your Marriage. How's it been going for you? Status quo, you say? You're both right, and that's not making either of you happy? Maybe your marriage is stressing you out a bit. Have you checked your pulse lately? You have one? Great. You're still alive, and you're still married. Okay, we got something to work with. We have a great, informative, and stimulating show. Tonight, I'm very excited to introduce and welcome the It Takes Two Players improv troupe, who will be fortifying our understanding of how we really act and show us how we act out in our private marriage arenas. I have a small request, so you get the most out of this time we have together. Open your minds and hearts a bit. Think about what you can do to meet each other's needs, even if you're angry, fed up, tired of trying. Things many of us experience in the ebbs and tides of our marriages. There are things you can do to nourish the growth of a collaborative partnership for life, love, and the long haul. Well, let's get right to the Marriage Matters segment. It's my pleasure to introduce the It Takes Two Players to get us in the mood for the Matters segment. Take a look at this couple's interaction.
Hey, I'm home.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry. I'm just doing the dishes.
Okay.
Sorry. I just don't want to. I'm just kidding.
I understand. Yeah. Okay. How's your day?
It's good. Yours?
All right. Everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Traffic.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Beat.
Well, I'm almost done. How was your day?
Bad. Just.
Why?
It's okay. No, it's all right. I just gotta sit down.
Well, here. Let me turn this off. Here.
Thank you.
Come and tell me about your problems.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Horrible day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it your boss again?
Who else?
What's the new one? What's her name again?
Don't even worry about it. This is just, I need it.
You need another.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Here, that'll wait till later.
Here's a tool that will show you, through the eyes of an audience, what your marriage looks like and how you could improve the unhappy current marriage status quo and reset the dials for a happier marriage. So it's theater night, ladies and gentlemen. Been to the theater lately? Please imagine that you're at the theater. The audience is restless, excited, ready for the show to begin. Feel the excitement in the air? Hear the orchestra? The matinee today is scenes from your marriage. Uh-oh, really? Even those times when yep, Even those times, oh boy. Think of your marriage as a long-running play. Look at your marriage from the audience's view. What do they see? How do you act to each other? Is there intimacy? Emotional? Sexual? Is there fear and hurt? What's missing? Are they sensing your frustration, even desperation? What would it take for you to get back up? Don't you want to show them you have resolve, fortitude, and that it's time to shake things up a bit? Look, I want to be with you. I want this marriage to work, but I have needs. Watch this couple in action.
Sorry.
Jeez.
Are you still? Wait,
Stop. You just stop.
No,
Just stop.
I'm not starting anything.
Oh,
I'm still.
please. Please.
How long? I mean, how long are we gonna have to be like this?
I don't know. I don't know. You just
Oh, you're not
really,
open-ended.
really pissed me off today.
We talked about it already.
I know, but I'm still angry.
Well, you're always still angry, and it's enough already. You know what?
So what, now you're telling me how to feel?
You feel however you want to feel. All right, I'm leaving. I'll be
Good.
downstairs.
Good. Good.
What exactly are we fighting about? Okay, perhaps it doesn't look so good right now. So let's try and be creative. Close a chapter. Script a new chapter. You're the author. You have the authority. Let's be scene play writers. Write us out of an unhappy relationship. Write a good marital outcome into the script. How about a doable, reasonable, possible outcome for two people really trying to stay married? And they lived reasonably good enough ever after, fulfilling and supporting their partner's emotional and sexual needs more times than not. Not perfect, but what an improvement. Do some focused wishful thinking. Write in your wish. Let your desires be known. Put yourself in a story of your choice. Pour some new ingredients into the mix. We need to rearrange the scenes with our mutual needs being met. We need to be clear on what those needs are. When we are clear about those needs, we can begin to set the stage to have some reasonable, good, and better times. This is the challenge. Find out what you both like and need by talking with each other about what you need. Hey, Zev, talking sounds like a novel idea, but not so easy. Who said anything about easy? Not easy, possible, doable. Look at the difference in these couples.
Honey, you'll never guess what I've got for this weekend.
What?
We're going away.
We are where?
We'll go upstate. It'll be great. We'll have a great time. I got your mother to take care of the kids.
Whoa,
Everything's set up.
slow down. What?
We're gonna go away for the weekend.
Why?
Just you and
Why are we
me,
going away?
like we used to?
Oh, this weekend?
Yes, this weekend.
Why are we doing that?
No, next weekend. No, yes, this week. Why? Because it's a surprise.
It's a surprise?
Surprise.
Like I have, but I don't want, that's too much of a surprise. What am I supposed to do? I have the
thought
kids.
you wanted me to be romantic. I thought you wanted me to be spontaneous.
Not where it's gonna like actually stress me out the entire weekend while we're there.
What's the stress? It's all taken care of. We just go.
You took care of everything?
It's all done. Everything.
There's no way. You gotta, no way.
Listen, I've got the reservations already put together. We've got our tickets ready to go.
Tickets? Reservations? What are we talking about?
I told you, we're gonna hop the train. We're gonna go. It'll be.
What are we gonna be doing?
Well, we'll find out when we get there. It'll be great.
We'll find out when we get there.
We'll do whatever.
How do I know what to pack?
Honey, guess what?
What?
We're going away this weekend. Just you and me.
We are?
Everything's taken care of.
Seriously?
Seriously, everything.
What do you mean? What about the kids?
Kids, mother. You're good. She's gonna take care of them. We're
Are you
gonna be gone.
serious?
Yes, I talked to her. I made a few calls. Everything's put together.
Where are we going?
We're going upstate. Little place. It's quiet. Just
Did you just
me.
book all that?
I booked everything.
That's so
It's
sweet.
both of us. All right.
Thank
So
you.
now all we have to do is hop in the car and go.
You're so romantic.
Yeah. What do you think? Huh?
I love it.
Okay.
I love it. He's
Surprise your spouse with something they like. Even if you don't get positive results from your partner, well, You've taken a step in moving your marriage forward, and give yourself the credit you so richly deserve. And one more thing to help you along. I have a free gift for your marriage. Just go to closermarriage.com right now and download the Recharge Your Marriage Guide for him and for her. Starting steps. This is something you can do for your marriage right now.